Hey everyone, welcome to The Explainer. We are totally skipping the standard intro today because we've got something absolutely mind-bending to talk about. I recently caught this viral YouTube short and we are diving right into it. We're talking about a medical anomaly so exceptionally scarce it sounds way more like science fiction than actual human anatomy.
50. Seriously, just let that number sink in for a second. We're sharing this planet with over 8 billion people, right? So what could this tiny, incredibly specific number possibly represent? Well, hold on to that thought, because the answer is actually hiding right inside our own veins, and it's absolutely fascinating. Section 1. The golden blood phenomenon. Analyzing the viral source.
Look at this sheer contrast for a minute. We've got the creator, Alman the Artist 9635, who dropped this content back in April 2026. But check out those engagement numbers. Over 52,000 views, a couple thousand likes, tons of comments. People are genuinely hooked. It's this wild paradox of the internet age, right? You've got tens of thousands of people completely fascinated by a medical condition that, statistically speaking, practically no one actually has.
The creator's description kicks off with a massive claim. Discover the astonishing reality of golden blood, the rarest type on Earth. As an explainer, I really love looking at how information gets framed. Phrases like astonishing reality and rarest type aren't just your standard clickbait here. Sure, they grab your attention immediately, but the crazy part is that they actually validate the hype. The actual hard science totally backs this up.
Section 2. Fewer than 50 cases. The ultimate rarity.
Here's the kicker. Fewer than 50 known cases. Remember that number 50 we started with? Yeah, we aren't talking about 50% of the population or 50,000 people. We mean fewer than 50 individual human beings ever identified in medical history. I really want to emphasize the gravity of the phrase known cases. This isn't just rare, it's an absolute statistical glitch in human anatomy. When your blood type is this unique, trying to find a compatible donor isn't just hard, it is literally near impossible. It completely redefines the word rare.
Section 3. The human paradox. A blessing and a burden.
This right here illustrates the absolute crux of the golden blood phenomenon. On one hand, it's described as a literal lifesaver for many. Because it's so incredibly pure and lacks all those common antigens, golden blood acts as this miraculous medical resource. Anyone with other rare blood types within the Rh system can accept it. But then, there's the flip side, a massive challenge for its carriers. If you actually have golden blood and you need a transfusion, you can only receive golden blood. So this exact same biological trait acts as a universal key to save others, but it's a huge, constant, looming danger to the individual who actually carries it.
I want you to really think about this for a second. Why is being a universal lifesaver also a carrier's greatest challenge? Based on what we just looked at, think about the sheer logistical nightmare this creates. If you are one of those 50-ish people worldwide, where is your donor coming from? Do they even live on your continent? Are they healthy enough to donate right when you have a medical emergency? A routine blood transfusion suddenly turns into a desperate international hunt. It's a terrifying biological dilemma when you break it down.
Section 4. Connecting the ecosystem. The creator's funnel.
Now check out the tags the creator used in the description. We've got golden blood, rare blood type, medical facts, human anatomy, and science explained. What's brilliant here is how these specific tags build a bridge. The creator is taking that viral, whoa, no way, internet curiosity and seamlessly blending it with actual medical facts and human anatomy. They're basically taking a viral moment and sneaking you right into a legitimate science class.
And here's how they close the loop. It's a really smart two-step process. Step 1, hook the viewer with the extreme rarity in the short. And looking at those view counts, it definitely worked. Step 2, prompt them to watch the linked full video called The Unfair Advantages of Your Blood Type. The creator uses the sheer shock value of those 50 cases to funnel all that newfound curiosity right into a deeper, longer-form exploration of blood science. It's a highly effective way to leverage short attention spans into something educational.
To wrap up the explainer today, I want to leave you with something to ponder. Put yourself in the shoes of those few dozen individuals scattered across the globe. What would you do? What would you do if you carried a gift that was so incredibly valuable to the world, yet so dangerous to yourself? It's a remarkably heavy burden to carry, living with a biological superpower that makes you entirely unique but completely vulnerable at the exact same time. Think about that paradox the next time a rare medical anomaly pops up in your feed. Thanks for joining me for this explainer. Keep questioning, keep learning, and I'll catch you in the next one.